What's going on, everyone? Second to last week here. Um, just going to kind of walk you through it. I looked at all of your responses on Google Forms from last week, and from what I could tell, it was about 33% wanted to do the wrap project, and the other 66.666666 percent wanted to do just a regular weekly agenda. Which disappointed me a little bit because one of my favorite things to do is that wrap project at the end of the year. But I went ahead and put it as another option. It wouldn't be a situation where you would have to rap in front of people. It just mean you'd make a video of you either rapping it to a beat or maybe reading off a poem or something like that. It wouldn't be that painful, and if you'd only have to worry about me seeing it and grading it. So I'm going to put that as an option for our last week, which will be next week, just in case you guys want to do it. I know that there were a few people who did express to me they were excited to try to do it, but I do want to go with more of a democratic approach, which means that you guys get to choose and vote on it. So it'll be an option for this week. I hope you guys choose it. If you just want to do another weekly agenda, then choose that. And that's on your Friday exit ticket is where you get to tell me what you want. Okay, so here's what we're going to do for this week. First of all, office hours. You can email me between those two times, and you can be reasonably assured that I'll get back to you within 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm doing Zoom hours twice a week. We're doing those in Miss UTEX class, but really we only get about 5 to 6 people who pop in and out per week. I'm giving extra credit for that, and there's a few of you who need to still check in with me, communicate, so I know that I'm getting work and that I can give you some points in the book. So please, please, please do that. You just click on this between noon and 1, 12 and 1, Tuesday or Thursday or both. It's good to see and hear from you guys. You don't have to stay on for very long. You can stay on for just a couple minutes. I'll help you with anything you have questions on, any math you're struggling on, and I give you extra credit for it. So it's a good deal for you guys for checking it. Starting with Monday, this week we're doing independent and dependent variables. We've worked on those. Is when we have two different variables, and we can turn those into graphs, we can turn those into tables, or we can turn them into equations. So hopefully this will come back to you. We're starting off with a video. This is a very good video, and you'll have to answer questions about it on your end of the week Google form, so make sure you pay attention there. And it's going to help you with, they call it a game, but it's more just some practice problems. There's 16 problems. You need to keep track of how many out of 16 you got correct. You'll have to answer that later too. Then you got one video and one exercise for Khan Academy. So I know Monday seems like a little more than the other ones, and it will be, but the other days aren't quite so bad. On Tuesday, Khan Academy, another one video, this time 2 exercises. Make sure you're getting 80% or better on those exercises. And then IXL, just in case anyone's still confused with those, do not log in. Just do the 10 problems. Once it says you've hit your limit and that you need to log in, just don't. You're done. We'll do Zoom office hour that day like I talked about. Then on Wednesday, you have your Khan Academy, 1 video and 1 exercise. And that's it for Khan Academy. So 80% or better on those. Then I have 2 review games. One is more of a game. It's like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, except it's called 100 Air, and it's about place values, just to give us a little practice on that. And then a second review game, but it's more just questions. It's distributive property. So it will give you a number of stars for how many you got right. So keep track of that. That'll be on your Google form as well. Thursday, your Zoom office hour and your Edge Elastic quiz. Make sure you do really well on those. Getting a lot of good participation on that. So just if you haven't been getting them done, you need to start. And then finally, Friday, something called a challenge activity. It's not really that challenging, and you are required to do it. And then your Friday exit ticket. So Friday should be the easiest. I just want to say, those of you who are powering through this every week, the work is getting better and better, and I can tell that you're getting better at doing this online stuff. So thank you so much. I know this has been new, but you guys are doing a fantastic job. So have a great week. Let me know if you need anything.